going on, lovely people? So today's video is actually going to be my first unboxing video. This is actually an item that, well, not item, but a box of goodies that I got from a company. And if you like getting free stuff, this is the company that you should sign up with. So if you're interested in what I'm about to show you, continue watching. Let me first put this out there. I'm not getting paid to do this, okay? I'm just trying to share some information. I know I like to get free stuff, and I know I like to sample stuff before I actually go out to the store to purchase it, right? So maybe many of you or some of you have heard of a company called pinchme.com. It's a company that actually sends out free samples for you to test out and give your feedback on. It's free to sign up. You just fill out some questionnaires. They ask you stuff about, your buying habits as far as for the home, skincare, hair care, down to your pets. And once you fill out those questionnaires, whenever a box becomes available and you qualified for the box, then they will send you an email to let you know that a free Pinch Me box is available. But the thing is that you better get it before what is it? Before it lasts. Is that what I'm trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say. But you get what I'm saying, right? Before everything is gone. So this is my box that I got. Pretty cute. Pretty cute. So as you can see, you can go to pinchme.com, sign up for free, fill out your information, fill out the questionnaires, and keep an eye out for an email. You can also, catch them on Instagram. Okay, so I haven't opened the box yet. I wanted to open it with you guys. So as you can see, nothing is open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. I'm not gonna open it no special way. I'm just gonna rip the box open. So as you can see while I'm doing that, it says, try products from leading brands for free. Why not? Test it out before you buy it, right? I opened this all messed up. All right, so let's take out everything. Ooh! Okay. It's hot. All right, so let's see. I got Vagisil Sensitive Sense Daily Intimate Wipes. Ooh. And I got a free coupon. And then here is, what is this? A wash. Okay. So this is $1 off coupon. All right. Next we have NextCare waterproof band-aids for all our moms out there or parents. All right. So it comes like this. And also a coupon in there. Next we have Sun Protector. Unscented mineral sunscreen. So this is it right here. As you can see. Ooh, definitely will test that out when going to the beach or the pool, laying out by the pool. What's this? Ooh, I got a HelloFresh gift card. Hey. My husband and I were talking about this last night that we wanted to try them out. Right on time. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Look what I got. Yes, Starbucks. And I said that I wanted to try some other coffee brands instead of just doing the Great Value ones from Walmart. So this is cool. So this is the coffee with 2x caffeine. Ooh, dark roast. That's if you want that kick. All right, so I got that. And the Damage Slayer 3-in-1. So you have the treatment, the shampoo, and the conditioner. Actually, I've gotten this one before. This is my second Pinch Me box. I didn't do the first unboxing because I wasn't thinking. So, but yeah, I gotten this and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I don't have to try this one. I already know how it is with my hair. So yeah, I will definitely buy this for my hair. What is this? A coupon for a free Graze box. Okay, so that's everything that came in my Pinch Me box, and then I also got a separate sample thing from Pinch Me, but I got it like this, covering up my edges because I don't need y'all at my dough. So I got it like this, and I had already opened this, and this is what I got. Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. So I'm definitely going to give these items a try and just see if I like it or not. And what I can do is I can always come back and do a follow-up video just to let you know, what it is I thought about the items that I've tried already. So yeah, that is basically it. I don't know about y'all. I like to know what it is that I'm getting. And if I can get a free sample of it to test it out before I actually go to the store and spend my money on it, I am going to do so. So once again, I'll leave the link down for the Pinch Me website, or you can just Google pinchme.com and go ahead and fill out a profile. Trust me, you will not regret it. So yeah, that is it for my unboxing of my Pinch Me box. Guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for sticking it out and watching, what I had to say. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click that can't talk, it's so hot. Subscription button, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you will not miss the next time I upload a video. Yeah, and join the family. So until next time, y'all, love you because God loved you.